Hey everyone, it's Ellen from Raleigh Insurance Group, and I'm here to talk about our app, the Chicago Area Car Show Schedule app. And today's topic is going to be how can you share this with a friend? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to start off here on what we call the home page of the app. And if you go up here where you'll see this little menu icon, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on that. Once you've gone to there, you will see another menu, and on that menu it will have a thing that says invite my friends, and you're going to click on that. It will bring you to this page here, and you can see is that there's a QR code right here. The easiest thing to do is if you have a friend that does have a QR code reader, that they can just scan it, and it's going to take them automatically to the page to be able to download the app. And it's going to do it based on what type of phone they have. So if they have an Android phone or an Apple phone or iPad or Pad, it's going to take them to the appropriate place so that they're able to download it. If they have Google, then it's going to bring them to a page that looks like this. And all they'd have to do then is click here and they would be able to install it. If they had it with Apple, then it's going to look like this. So it will look very similar, and again, they're going to have something here that's either going to say install, or you'll see this little cloud with an arrow, and they're going to click on that, and that's going to install it for them. So there you have it. That's how you can share it with your friends. We encourage you to share it as much as you can, and we thank you for watching. If you have other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our phone number here is 800-801-1823, or you can reach us through our website at www.raleyinsurance.com, or you can contact us through our app. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you out cruising.